Reed has been in the market for the last 30 years as we were representing them. And our plans for the next year is to increase our sales, maybe doubled. So far, actually, we have been supported by Reed extensively. The next year, we might be going into some exhibitions or taking part in some fairs related to gas and oil in Egypt. And by that time, of course, we will ask Reed to intervene. They are reputable, they are durable, they are warranted for life. They are not that expensive when compared with their lifetime. It's made in the States, not anywhere else. And this, for the Egyptian mentality and Egyptian people, this gives a big impact on the confidence in the tool itself.